How to register or open account on Palmpay. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, launch your preferred browser in your device and search for Palmpay login. Then select on the first option, that is create an account. In order to create an account for your Palmpay, just enter your first name, last name, email address, password, then CAPTCHA verify yourself and click on Create My Account. Once you are verified and your account is created successfully, to log in, all you have to do is click on the login button. To log in into your Palmpay, all you have to do is enter email address and your password. In the case of forgotten password, you can enter the email address to which you'll be sent an login link which you can tap and easily log in or recover your Palmpay account. You can also change the password if you want to. By this way, you'll be able to register or open and log in into your Palmpay account. It's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.